We present our work on generative view synthesis from single view semantics to novel view images. Recently, neural networks have emerged as important tools in content creation. Semantic image synthesis techniques, for instance, convert a semantic map into a realistic image. These methods have been well received by digital artists and the general public. Despite their impressive results, current state-of-the-art methods are inherently limited to generating 2D images of a scene. In this work, we introduce the generative view synthesis, or GVS problem, where an input 2D semantic map has to be rendered from arbitrary camera poses. As we show here, a generative view synthesis approach takes 2D semantics as input and renders a scene from multiple novel views. Generative view synthesis is related to image-to-image translation and monocular view synthesis problems. In fact, a straightforward GVS approach could be devised by combining state-of-the-art image-to-image translation and monocular view synthesis methods. This combination of the two methods works as follows. The input semantics is first translated into a photorealistic image. The translated image is then rendered from arbitrary camera poses using a monocular view synthesis method. However, we observe that the combination of image-to-image translation and monocular view synthesis methods results in unsatisfactory outputs. In this paper, we tested a combination of the state-of-the-art image-to-image translation method SPADE and 3 recent novel view synthesis methods. As shown in the results here, all of the methods fail to faithfully reconstruct thin structures in the scene. Here we present an overview of our proposed GVS approach, called GVSNet. GVSNet renders novel views by first lifting the input semantics into a hybrid layered 3D semantic representation and performing image-to-image translation in this lifted semantic space. Semantic lifting from 2D to 3D is a key idea that enables our method to produce novel views that are semantically consistent to the input semantic map. GVSNet has 3 main subnetworks: the Semantic Uplifting Network, SUN, the Layer Translation Network, LTN, and the Appearance Decoder Network, ADN. The Semantic Uplifting Network is trained to convert the input 2D semantics into a multiplane image semantics. However, unlike the standard MPI scene representations, for computational efficiency, our proposed method uses a hybrid model where scene semantics is compressed into a few layered semantic images. This allows our model to capture semantics of all surfaces in the scene while wasting no memory and computation on the empty space between surfaces. We convert the lifted semantics representation into a layered appearance using a layered translation network. Layered appearance features are then converted into an MPI appearance via an association tensor predicted by the semantic uplifting network. The MPI appearance model contains high-dimensional features at each pixel location and every plane. Therefore, projecting the MPI appearance to novel views gives per pixel appearance descriptors at each pixel location in the novel view. We apply an appearance decoder network ADN to convert the projected appearance descriptors into color values. Projecting high-dimensional features allows for propagation of neighborhood information from the source camera to novel views. This local neighborhood information is crucial in mitigating rendering artifacts that could arise from the multiplane discretization of the 3D space. Here we present generated views from our method and 3 different baselines created by combining the SPADE image-to-image translator with monocular view synthesis methods. Results indicate that our approach can synthesize more geometrically coherent views while also preserving semantic structures that are present in the input semantics. In addition to solving the proposed generative view synthesis problem, our SUN model enables new applications such as semantic view synthesis. By projecting the MPI semantics, we can render the scene semantics from novel camera poses. Here we show an example semantic novel view synthesis using our SUN model. We experimented with converting each of the predicted semantic novel views into color images using SPADE translation network. However, doing independent translations on the 2D semantic maps produces inconsistent novel views. As shown in the animation on the right, appearance of the same physical object changes between novel views. Here we show sample renderings of a scene taken from the Carla dataset. The renderings are generated by our GVSNet, SUN plus SPADE, and SPADE plus view synthesis methods. As expected, SUN plus SPADE suffers from inconsistencies, while SPADE plus view synthesis methods cannot reconstruct the scene correctly. Our method, on the other hand, produces realistic novel views while even in the challenging parts of the scene. Here we show another result from the Carla dataset. Again, the quality of our generated novel views surpasses all of the baselines. Here is a sample result from the virtual kitty dataset. And here is a sample result from the cityscapes dataset. One application of our method is easy scene manipulation. Here a user removes the car from the input semantics and GVSNet seamlessly propagates the changes to all of the novel views. A user can also add new objects to the scene and render it from arbitrary camera poses. By leveraging geometric cues present in the input semantics, our model is able to generate high-quality depth maps from semantic images. In conclusion, we introduced the generative view synthesis problem. We demonstrated that the simple application of existing techniques for this problem yields inadequate results. We introduced GVSNet, which produces photorealistic novel views from 2D semantic maps. Our key insights are leveraging structural information by lifting 2D semantics to layered 3D semantics, and further propagating the structural 3D semantics information forward with a layered translation network. For additional results and code, please visit the project page at gvsnet.github.io.